Good morning, class 3. This is our next chapter, that is chapter 2, Parts of Plants from Science. So today we are going to study about parts of plants. Our body has different parts such as eyes, arms, legs and nose. Like us, plants also have different parts. Each part of the plants has some important functions. All these parts work together and help the plant to live and grow. Let us study about the different parts of our plant. So children, like us, like human beings, plants also have different parts. Like we have different parts of our body, isn't it? Like eyes, nose, ears, tongue, mouth, isn't it? Head, legs, hands, isn't it? So these are the parts of our body. Like this, plants also have different types of parts. Okay? So today we are going to study about the parts of the plant one by one. Now, a plant is mainly divided into two parts, root system and shoot system. So, plant's parts has been divided into two parts, that is root system and shoot system. First of all, we are going to study about root system. What is root system? Understood? Now, roots. The parts of the plant that grows under the soil are called the roots. So, you can see the picture. So, this is under the soil, there is root. So, this is called root and it comes under root system. Okay, in root system, root comes under it and root found under the soil, not above the soil but under the soil. Root is found, that is the main part of the plant. Okay. So, roots hold the plant in the soil. They act like straws. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So, plants also need nutrients to grow. Okay. And what is the function of the roots? Roots hold the plant in the soil. Roots hold the plant in the soil so that plants can be stand straight. Okay, and they act like straw. So roots act like straws. You know, straw means that we use to drink cold drinks like Pepsi, Sprite, Coca-Cola, isn't it? So that the roots act like a straw because roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Okay, roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Now, types of roots. There are different types of roots. Taproot and fibrous root. Okay, so children, roots are two different types. That is, one is taproot and another one is fibrous root. As you see in the picture, this is taproot. This type of roots are called taproot. Okay, and this type of roots are called fibrous root. This type of roots we can find in different types of vegetables. Now, taproot. What is taproot? It is the part of the plant that grows under the soil. So, taproot is the part of the plant that grows under the soil. So, some vegetables have taproot like carrot, turnip, beet, rutabaga, and turnip and parsnip. Okay, root this is the main root and it has some small branches around it. Okay, this type of roots are called taproot. Next one is fibrous root. Fibrous root has thin roots of different sizes which forms a bunch at the base of the stem. So this is fibrous root. So it looks like a bunch of roots, okay? And it found at the base of the stem. They all grow downwards together. Plants such as grass, onion, wheat, rice and palm have fibrous roots. So it goes downwards, okay? Downwards together. So like grass, onion, wheat, rice and palm have this type of roots. So fibrous roots can be found on this plants such as grass, onion, wheat, rice and palm. Now next one is this is an example of fibrous root, okay? So next one is shoot system. Now, so this is a shoot system, the part of the plant that grows above the soil to get air and sunlight is called the shoot system or shoot. So shoot system means we can found this shoot system in plant which is above the soil. It is not under the soil, but it is above the soil, okay? The stem, the branches, the leaves, the buds, the flowers and the fruits together make up the shoot. So what comes under shoot system? What are the parts of shoot system? One is stem, okay, stem of the plants, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, okay. So children, in root system, only root you can found in under root system, okay, but in shoot system, these are the parts that you found under shoot system, that is stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, understood, which is above the ground. Now, first of all, let us study some different kinds of stems. Okay, plants have different kinds of stems. A coriander plant has a soft and green stem. So, coriander means this is coriander plant. Okay, that we use when we cook food. Okay, it added flavor to our food. So, a coriander plant has a soft and green stem. This is stem. Coriander plant has soft and green stem. Potato, ginger and turmeric are underground stems. So, potato, ginger and turmeric are underground stem. Okay, so which is under the soil, that is called underground stem. Some plants have very thin and weak stem. Such plants require support to grow. They are called climbers. So, some plants have very thin and weak stems. That type of plants need support to grow. That is why only they can stand. Stand straight with support. Okay. So that type of plants are called climbers. Like, for example, so this is climbers, money plant, grapes, and this is a pumpkin. Okay, so the stem of some plants like money plant, grapes, and pumpkin are climbers. So they have a soft and a weak stem. Okay, and they cannot stand straight by themselves. And they need support to it. This is support of the grapes. Okay, this is support. And support to stand straight, that is why they are called climbers. Okay. So next one is trunk. A banyan tree and mango tree has a hard and very thick stem called trunk. So a banyan tree and mango tree, these are tall and big trees, big plant, that is called tree, isn't it? So banyan tree and mango tree, some example has been given. They have a hard and thick stem, that is called trunk. Now what is the function of the stems? Let us study. The stem supports lots of sunlight. So the stem can support the plant so that plants can get enough sunlight, okay, from the sun. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the different parts of the plant. So we have already read that roots absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Stem of the plant carry water and nutrients from the roots to the different parts of the plant. This is the function of the stem. So children, now track your progress. Up to here, how much you have learned? Fill in the blanks. Roots grow dash the soil. What will be here? Roots grow under the soil. A dash has no main root. Which root has no main root? Taproot or fibrous root? Fibrous root. The dash carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaf. Root carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Yes, stem. Okay. A thick and strong stem is called the what? Trunk. Yes. Dash absorb water and minerals from the soil. So who absorb water and minerals from the soil? Yes, roots. Okay.